Different expressions with get. Get is a great word in English. It is used in so many various ways. Structure, meaning, example. Get plus adjective or comparative. Become, show a change of state. Get angry. Mr. Davis never gets angry at work. Get rich. They want to get rich as quickly as possible. Get plus a place. Reach or arrive at a place. Get home. What time did you get home last night? Get there. We'll never get there if he doesn't speed up. Get plus direct object for noun. Receive, buy, or obtain. Get an email. She got an email from Jamie last week. Get a job. He has to get a job after college. Get plus past participle. Things that we do to ourselves. Get involved. He got involved in a silly problem. Get lost. We always get lost in London.